Today we're on the hunt for the creek. I took my forks out the other day to give them a lower leg service and reduce the travel back down to 150. And I had a look at the headset while I was doing it and I found a spacer in the wrong place. That noise is cable rattle, I can deal with that. So far so good. Oh, I don't know, I think it's still there a bit, but I wonder if it's just the mud going. It's definitely a lot better. I just have to tell myself it's fixed and then ignore it. Then I'll get used to it. Where am I going here? This one's a bit longer. Ah, my shins. Find it, grind it. So what's my verdict? I think the creek is mostly gone. Can't really feel the difference between 150mm and 160mm. I need to sort my front brake out. Oh dear.